There are many ways to collect emails from your audience. The most common way is to put up a newsletter subscription form on your website, like I have done over here in the footer of OpinionEd. You can also put this up as a pop-up if you want, but make sure it doesn't block your visitors from seeing your site because that can be very annoying for a new visitor. Other ways of building an email list or collecting subscriptions include running a free webinar and using the emails of attendees as additions to your existing email list, using Facebook lead forms to collect subscriptions through your brand's Facebook page, creating a separate landing page to announce a promotion campaign where you give out freebies to all your new subscribers, running an affiliate program for your brand to incentivize your existing subscribers to refer your site to their friends. You can even come up with your own creative ways to encourage people to subscribe to your brand. And with that, let's move on to the next module, which is exciting because it's about everyone's favorite, social media marketing.